Hey guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to fix pin comment option not available on TikTok. If you're a gamer or a programmer, in the video description you'll find my top computer equipment for gaming and working. Tell me if you agree with it in the comment section. Anyway, to fix the TikTok pin comment option, first make sure you're on the latest version of TikTok, so open your App Store, it doesn't matter if you're using Android or iOS, and type TikTok. Here, if you see upgrade instead of open, tap on it. Open your app settings. If you are on Android, just tap and hold on the icon of TikTok and then the info button. Here, you select storage in cache and clear cache. After that, you need to restart your phone and open TikTok again. That should fix your problem. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. See you more.